Really excited to show you this vehicle today. This is a 2017 Honda Pilot EXL. It is a certified unit. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner, and it's only got 923 miles on it. All right, the customer bought it, brought it back, and got another one with all-wheel drive. So this thing only has 900 miles on it. All right, there's not a scratch, a ding, anything. This is it's getting a brand new vehicle for the used car price. Okay, we'll go ahead and give you the walk around here. Everything on the outside is in fantastic shape. No issues whatsoever. Okay, it's only got 923 miles on it. So it is basically brand new. Really cool, like turquoise blue in color. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It's got the nice two-tone door panel here with the black and the gray. All right, gray leather driver seats. Okay, power driver seat. The leather's in great shape. All right, there's not going to be much to show you about this vehicle because it is so new. Only 900 miles. I mean, it still has the new car smell to it. All right, it does come with 2 key fobs and remote start. And I'll go ahead and open up the sunroof for you and pan out so you can see that. It is equipped with the sunroof. All right, it's got your blind spot monitoring button here too, and I'll show you that in a second. All right, automatic push button start, heated seats, dual climate controls. All right, nice big touch screen with the backup camera, and the blind spot monitoring will be there as well. I'll turn that on for you in a second. It does have the leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, and steering wheel audio controls. All right, let me go ahead and show you the mileage. All right, as you can see, it's got 923 miles on it. All right, AC's been running for 10 minutes now. Everything's blowing really cold there. Let me go ahead and get you back to your home screen. All right, there's your home screen there. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. And let me dim these lights down a little bit so that camera is easier to read. And I'll go ahead and shut the sunroof, get that glare off of there. There you go. All right, nice big touchscreen. And I'm gonna go ahead and engage the blind spot monitoring. All right, it's that button to the left of the steering wheel I showed you earlier. You touch that button, and this is actually the right side of your vehicle, and all this over here will be your blind spot. So when you're making a lane change, anything like that, one of the best features that I think Honda offers. Really great safety feature. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. All right, back seat leather, phenomenal. No problems at all. All right, it is a third row Pilot. So one thing I want to show you here, you see this button here? Okay, and there's also one right behind the seat, right here. You touch that button, seat comes forward, slides up on its own. All right, access to your third row. All right. Everything looks really good back here. No problems at all. Go ahead and push this seat back for you. Lean in here, kind of give you the driver's eye view of the layout. All right. As you can see, this Pilot's laid out really nicely. The gray and black two-tone, really sharp looking. All right, I'm going to pan back out and go ahead and show you your storage space back here. It is a power lift gate. All right, everything comes up nice and smooth there. All right, it does have this really nice rubber protector here that will fold out. Now your third row seats are up now. To get those down, simply just pull on that and the seat comes down. Same thing here, seat comes down, and then this mat will actually fold out like so. All right, protecting all of it back there. And now you can see how it really opens it up back there. All right, and this is how you engage the lift gate and shut it. Okay, as you can see, everything's smooth, no problems at all. Go ahead and give you another shot of the passenger seat here in this perspective. I mean, I'm telling you guys, this is just like a new car for the used car price. Got 900 miles on it. Still has the new car smell. There's not a thing wrong with it. Not even a scratch, a blemish, a dent, nothing. All right, we'll go ahead and check the wheels and tires. We got 18-inch alloys. All right, Bridgestone, obviously brand new set of tires. They only have 923 miles on them. All right, once again, guys, a 2017 certified Honda Pilot EXL, clean Carfax, one owner, only 923 miles. All right, this thing's going to be priced like a used car. All right, but you're actually getting like a new car. It's only got 923 miles on it, guys. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.